am Hridya, studying in class 5, Netaji Higher Secondary School, Pramadam. Through this channel, I would like to share the topics which I understood through my teachers and Victor's channel. This is a video about Unit 1, A Road to History from Social Science. I hope this will help all my friends. Let's learn together. What is history? History is the record of the progress that human beings acquired down the ages. How do you record the history? It is through historical inquiry. The information we gathered through historical inquiry help us to know about different periods of history. What are the major sources that help us to record history? The tools, coins, utensils, other historical remains, and written documents are the major sources that help us to record history. Differentiate between prehistoric period and historic period. The period before the formation of art of writing is known as prehistoric period. Historic period. The period with written record is known as historic period. Look at these pictures. Stone tools and cave paintings are the remains of prehistoric period. During historic period, art of writing developed. Books, coins, palm leaves, stone inscriptions are the remains of historic period. We came to understand that historical remains are the major source of history. So, we should preserve these historical remains. How do we preserve these historical remains? A museum keeps the objects or their remains that were once used by man. Monuments like forts, palaces, old buildings, etc. are preserved because of their historical importance. They are preserved because they give much valuable information on the past of human life. In this picture, these are a few objects used by our forefathers in the past. Kudakkalla Muniyara Nannangadi are the remains related to the funeral practices in ancient Kerala. Explain that history is recorded on the basis of evidence. The tools, coins, utensils, and other historical remains are the major source that help us to record history. History is recorded on the basis of evidences gathered from the preserved historical remains. Describe the need of conserving historical monuments. Historical monuments are to be preserved because they give much valuable information on the past of human life. They are to be preserved for the coming generations as it would provide them with the opportunity to learn about the past. We are analyzing the concepts of AD and BC. AD Anno Domini, BC before Christ. Now they are also known as CE Common Era and BCE before Common Era. Christian era is the common scale of chronology all over the world. The period in history is divided into AD and BC based on the birth of Jesus Christ. The time after the birth of Jesus Christ is known as AD. The time before the birth of Jesus Christ is known as BC. What are the different eras mentioned in calendar? Christian era, Malayalam era or Kollavarsham, Hijra era and Saga era. Next concept is century. You know, we are living in the 21st century. A century denotes 100 years. AD 2014 falls in 21st century. AD 1947 is in 20th century. AD 57 is in 19th century. 261 BC is in 3rd century. 326 BC is in 4th century. The chronological sense and order help us in recording and learning history. So it is very important. Here is a poster for the protection of historical monuments. Save the past, save the monuments. Monuments are glimpses of past. Protect it for our generations. Hope you enjoy this. Thank you.